Dito sir, obserbahan niyo yung aso. Aside from the technical equipment, ito ho ang aso nang pumasok dyan. Tingnan niyo yung aso sa lower right. Scratching the floor, indicating that there's life beneath. Rescue dog yan sir. Naghahanap yan ng mga taong trapped under the rubble. Indicator yan sir ng positive. Na may naaamoy siya sa ilalim ng carpet. Ito sa baba naman sir, makikita nyo, magtatatahol naman yung aso na yan sir. Unless na naturuan ng aso. We find bedrooms of women surrounding the bedroom of Popolo Kibuloy.
Please continue.
Thank you sir. Next slide please. Now here's the cathedral. Ayaw kaming papasukin dito before. Eventually, sa kakulitan namin and sa gagamit ng diplomasiya, we found this door. Going to the lounge of Apollo Kibuloy. And again, he has a bedroom in the cathedral. Wala naman kami sinasabing kung ano man, but he has a bedroom in the cathedral.
Yes, napasok ko yan kanina.
Next slide, please. So, dito sir, obserbahan niyo yung aso. Aside from the technical equipment, ito ho ang aso nang pumasok dyan. Tingnan niyo yung aso sa lower right. Scratching the floor, indicating that there's life beneath. Rescue dog yan sir. Naghahanap yan ng mga taong trapped under the rubbles. Unless na indicator yun sir ng positive na may naaamoy siya sa ilalim ng carpet. Ito sa baba naman sir, makikita nyo, magtatatahol naman yung aso na yan sir. Unless na naturuan ng aso.
O bakit wala kayo nakita?
Hindi pa namin sir nabubutas yan sir.
Ha?
Hindi pa namin nabubutas yan.
Bakit hindi nyo binutas?
Bubutasin natin sir.
Ha?
Later on sir. This sir.
Hindi namin. Yan, prolonging dagon eh. Nakita mo na yung nagkakuha na yung aso, signaling positive presence ng life to sa ilalim. Hindi na nyo kagad naksyonan.
Hindi pa kami sir nakakapapas. Diyan sir kasi cathedral yan sir. Take into consideration the sensibilities of KOJC. Hindi namin sir gagawin yung butas yan sir na kasinlaki nung ginawa namin sa basement. Because if they will allow us, we'll enter a drilling machine.
If you really want to arrest Pastor Kibuloy.
Yes sir. We'll use
13 days na eh. Bakit hindi nyo ginawa yan?
Makita naman natin sir yung resistance on the first 1 week na talaga sir na we cannot bring in the equipment that we need. They really want, they stop us yung sinasabi nila sir na x-ray. Kita mo sir, pati ang pickaxe, hindi namin maipasok ng basta-basta. That's why I really, after those their allegations.
Alam mo, Nick, everything will be settled. Yung paghaharang nila, hindi din naharang sa inyo kung meron kayong search warrant. Gawin niyo yung search warrant para...
Sir, we cannot apply for a search warrant. Considering that search warrant is used for contraband, things, and illegal items, we're not alleging that, sir. What we are looking for is a person. No judge will issue us a search warrant because we do not allege that there's drugs there. We do not allege that there are illegal items there, sir. The search warrant will only cover things because it will say that you are commanded to bring to me this caliber 45, which is illegal in the possession of Mr. Salvador. Yun, sir. We cannot take lies.
I agree.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right.
So, ayan, sir, ang mga indicators na hindi namin pwedeng i-ignore. So, again, that's what I said before. We'll drill holes in there, sir, with the approval of the with or without the approval of the GMC, but we want to leave a very small footprint. We want to bring in a borehole drilling machine, which will only make a 4-inch or 6-inch hole where we can put down our telescopic cameras to ensure to inspect what is beneath, maybe 10 meters below the ground. Yes, sir, kahol ng kahol. So, hindi naman pwede namin paulit-ulitin yan, sir, because the dog will, may mga restrictions din ang pagpaulit-ulit sa aso at masisira ang kanyang training pag paulit-ulit na lang na wala kaming ginagawa. Next slide, please. So, general observation. These are our general observations, sir. The most common refrain of KOJC in preventing or delaying searches is, quarters na mga babae yan. And we have heard it a while ago from one of our resource persons na puro daw mga quarters na mga babae. And true enough. Next. And true enough, we find bedrooms of women surrounding the bedroom of Apollo Kibuloy. Next slide, please. In these three areas that we search, we observe that Kibuloy's room is the only man's room in these areas. I would like to ask KOJC to tour you on those facilities in the ACQ College of Ministry, in the cathedral, in the first floor of the GMC building, in the dormitory of the pastorals, if there are other men living in that area. And show to you, to August senators and reporters, if there are really other men living in that area aside from Kibuloy, so in the midst of women.
What are you trying to imply?
I'm trying to imply, sir, that the warrant, especially this warrant in branch 106, for violation of section 5P of RA 7610, that reads, the charges, the warrant is subsisting on August 8, issued on August 8, and signed by Judge Noel Parel. Pasensya na kayo, sir. Affected ako, sir, sa mga ganitong klaseng warrant, sir. The charges is, the warrant was issued for violation of section 5B of RA 7610 that reads, those who commit an act of sexual intercourse or lascivious conduct with a child exploited in prostitution or subject to other sexual abuse. The law, sir. Next slide, please. And all the rooms of Apollo Kibuloy are not offices. All these rooms are bedrooms, including in the cathedral. Next slide, please. His room in the ACQ College of Ministry is the most lavish so far. Next slide. With a jacuzzi to boot. And that is surrounded by rooms of women. Adjacent to it is a room for a woman we have not yet identified. Next slide.
Well, as if
assessment.
you're trying to impute malice. You're trying to impute malice because, yung bathtub na yan, regardless kung gaano kamahal yan, kaya nga niya bumili ng aeroplano eh. Kaya nga niya bumili ng helicopter eh. So,
sir, the warrant of arrest had already been issued by a judge on charges of sex with a minor.
So,
that means, sir, that the rooms that we are searching is really the room of Apollo Kibuloy based on all the indicators. Kaya lang, sir, tagus-tagusan ng mga kwarto, tagus-tagusan ng mga pinto. Kailangan namin, sir, research on our own terms, but not on the terms of...
You agree with me that all you are saying are all theories?
Yes, sir, of course.
Kasi, have you seen Pastor Apollo Kibuloy making sex with the children in that bathtub?
We are not saying...
Wala naman, di ba?
We are not saying it, sir. It's in the warrant.
Because you are trying to impute malice in your statements.
No, sir. I'm not imputing malice. I'm just reading what is in the...
I was not born yesterday. The way you deliver your statement is trying to impute malice.
What I'm saying, sir, is that the evidence that we see is supporting the warrant of arrest for sex with a child, sir.
Okay, you're free to make your own assessment. But I am also free to, as the chairman of this committee,
yes, sir, of course.
That's what I observe from you. You're trying to impute malice on the subject with the absence of actual sex happening in that bathtub. Huh?
I think the actual sex happening, sir, was already discussed and already studied by the judge. That's why he asked for initial warrant. No, sir.
Okay.
We're not implying it's from the bathtub, sir. What I'm saying is,
I'm not lawyering for Pastor Kibuloy. I am just trying to, based on what you are saying, I'm just trying to.
What I'm saying, sir, is that please. Previous slides, please. Previous slide. Ito sir ang observations lang naman.
Okay, observations. You are free to make your own observations.
The most common refrain is the use of women.
Okay.
Which nakita namin, sir, 99% of people tailing us. Kita mo, sir, yung sa kanina yung diwata. Si Mr. Darwin Salcedo lang halos ang lalaki. Babae lahat na sa paligid niya. Di ba, sir? Iyon ang mga warriors nila, sir. True enough,
Point of order, Your Honor. Point of order.
Yeah, go ahead.
It seems that the presentation of the General, Your Honor, is being used really not to present facts of what happened, but to present his view of Pastor Apollo C. Kibuloy in order to malign him,
Correct.
in order to make him look bad to the people without even presenting a single evidence and possible reason why is it that the location of the rooms are like that. Simply because of the fact that there are many members of the KOJC. And to impute malice into his supposed presentation, Your Honor, which is actually a confirmation that he is turning an arrest warrant into a general warrant, which is prohibited in the Constitution, Your Honor, because he is conducting only search based only on an arrest warrant. And we were even trapped on September 12, 2024, where his police women went there, Your Honor. It was already day 9. The patience of the people there was already running thin. And they were there, Your Honor, many times already. And on day 9, suddenly they had this all women this time. And of course, since his women was only carrying an arrest warrant, they tried to assert their right that maybe what you are doing is no longer right.
Okay. I would like to remind General Torre to cease and desist from giving your observations na walang factual basis. Okay? So please continue.
Again, sir, this is supported by the videos. Kanina pa sir yung sinasabi na quarters ng mga babae yan. Paulit-ulit yan, sir.
Kaya nga.
Sige, sir.
Noted na yan ng committee. Yung room ni Pastor Kibuloy, surrounded by rooms of women.
Next slide, please.
So,
yes, sir.
That's a fact.
Thank you, sir.
Please do not go beyond that fact.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Assessment.
Your Honor, if I may point of order, how did he know that those are rooms of women in the first place? Sir.
Okay, can you
that prior to the time when Pastor Apollo C. Kibuloy did not can no longer be found since March, how did he know that those were occupied by in fact women? Why? Was he staying there?
Oh, you want to answer?
Sir.
Yeah, right.
Just manifestation of impartiality and fairness, Mr. Chair and Your Honors. And I just would like to ask if a resource person would raise a point of order, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor.
You are raising a good point. I think as far as the rules of this committee is concerned, only members of the committee can raise a point of order. So I take back my consideration of his point of order. Okay? Fair enough. Okay, thank you. Please continue.
Thank you very much, sir. So, let me just go to my assessment. Matatapos na tayo, sir. We are still very far in completing the search for Apollo Kibuloy and KOJC. The operation is hindered and controlled by the KOJC, who uses its followers to intervene, interfere, harass, cause delays, and in general disrupt the search. We believe that this allows Kibuloy and others to relocate and hide, change their location, as the search, even just in a single building, is being conducted, notwithstanding changing his location. Sa ngayon, sir, ang SMNI studio, hindi pa nga namin, sir, nasa-search eh. Hindi pa namin nasa-search, sir, sa loob yan. Add to this, the numerous CCTVs all over the place na hindi namin, sir, disable. And the radios and cell phones of KOJC members tailing the searchers around. Thus, it cannot be helped but to conclude that up to this point, what we had done so far is play hide and seek with Kibuloy in his 30-hectare property and with his followers.
Well, when you say that, actually, sir, yung sinabi mo kanina, hindi pa namin yan na-search.
Yes, sir.
So do you intend to search that area?
Yes, sir.
Kasi ganito, the basis for you to serve a warrant of arrest on a particular area is based on your reasonableness na andyan siya. Ngayon, you mean to say na sabi mo na naman na andun na naman siya sa yung area na hindi mo pa na-search?
The area, sir, is the area that we reasonably believe that where he is the KOJC compound.
Mr. Chair.
Wow, napakalaking area yun.
Mr. Chair.
Just
Just a short question. I represent here Sunshine Media Network International, which the good resource person made mention, Mr. Chair, that they have not searched our studio within the compound. That's a lie. Because yesterday, all of them went inside, up and down, side to side, and they even attempted to bring a light detector detection machine, two of them, with personnel in uniform without nameplates. So, I'd like Mr. Chair to let you know, the committee, that what the good gentleman is saying is not true, because they were there inside, even up to the roof deck where the air conditioning facility and the makeup room are located. So hindi po tama, no? Na sabihin na hindi nila na-search o na-inspection yung studio namin ng SMNI.
Did they allow the light detector? Did they allow the light detector? Did you allow the light detector?
You address your question to me.
Sir,
Sorry.
what I mean, sir, is the kind of search that we want to do. They allowed us to take a look around. How do we know that he is not hiding in these crevices and other places that we want to inspect? That's why we went with the light detector. Did they allow the light detector to be used?
If I may, Your Honor. Actually, if I may, Your Honor.
Yeah, go ahead.
On August 24, Your Honor, in the morning, when I was prevented in going to the hangar, I walked, Your Honor. It's very hot. And I went up. It's a long walk. I decided to go to accompany the search in the SMNI area, studio. And it was there where about 18 policemen, Your Honor. No, that's around 14 policemen who went inside the SMNI studio, Your Honor. And they searched all the nooks and crannies during the first day, alone, Your Honor. And as a matter of fact, I got a bit busy after that, Your Honor, and I had to take a rest in the Waxis. That's only on the first day, Your Honor. At around 9:24 in the morning, I went to the Waxis because I got busy anymore. I would not know where I would accompany the rest of the teams who were searching everywhere, Your Honor, everywhere. It was really a melee. You could not believe how they conducted the search, Your Honor. It was untrammeled. And it was as if they had a general warrant, which is proscribed under the 1987 Constitution, Your Honor.
Mr.
Thank
Chair, if I may add,
Yes.
I was also there when they searched the studio last September 4, around 4:55 to 5:32 p.m. So just to belie what General Torres. And even yesterday, there were also attempts.
Maybe his concept of searching, Your Honor, is again to dig a tunnel in the SMNI so that he could look at the soil and the rocks that would be found therein if Pastor Apollo Kibuloy is there. Maybe that is his concept of search, Your Honor.
I presume that's the search that he wants to do. Am I correct?
If the life detector will indicate, sir, why not?
So, wala na yung katapusan nito.